Hi, everyone. Al Harris here. Look, I just wanted to clear up some IT industry tech jargon that's been plaguing clients and contacts, just about everyone I speak to that's outside the industry. And that term is patch management. What is it? It is the systematic updating of software components, operating system, apps, etc., on a computer system in order to resolve stability and security issues. It's a pillar in computer security and the protection of your digital assets. One main reason it is because the vulnerability information is made public as soon as it is found by researchers or the software manufacturer. And therefore, hackers and good guys have equal access to it at the very same time. One of those databases, just for example, is cvedetails.com. If you want to check it out, you'll see what I mean. That's C as in Charlie, V as in Victor, E as in Echo, details.com. It lists vulnerabilities for thousands of different software products. All right. So patch management is quite critical, but how do you get it? Well, there are two ways. One is you can hire an IT company and have them install their patch management software on all of your systems. You'll need to obtain reports at least every month to let you know that the patch management is in fact happening. The second way, if you don't want to hire an IT company, then you will have to go the do-it-yourself route. On the Windows PC platform, there are several products, but one of them, and perhaps the best known and most established, is called Ninite. Ninite, Ninite, that's N as in November, I as in Indigo, N as in November, I as in Indigo, T as in Tango, E as in Echo.com. Ninite will search for the software that's installed on your Windows PC and download updates and install them for you. There's some manual intervention, but it's not much. Certainly, it's much better than doing all of that without the help of the Ninite software. You'll need Ninite Pro, which is a paid product, but the fee is quite reasonable considering what it does for you. Okay. You don't want to install it on servers, and you don't want to use it if you have an IT company, because you don't want to use your own patch management software if you already have somebody doing it for you. There will be a conflict, and you'll get some very grumpy IT people, higher costs, and potentially lower stability. So again, if you have an IT company doing patch management for you, you'll just want to request reports to make sure it's happening. Okay, now let's go over to the Mac side. For the Mac, you'll want to download operating system updates or set your Mac up to download them for you automatically, and then you can install them when you're ready. Now, when I say a Mac OS update, I'm not referring to the next version of the Mac OS. I'm referring to minor updates that, again, are designed to fix bugs and solve security problems. You'll also want to, on the Mac, go to the App Store and make sure you've updated all of the apps that have updates pending. If you've downloaded and installed software outside the Mac Store, you may want to look into third-party updating software for your Mac. One of those products is Pareto, P-A-R-E-T-O. Pareto is a suite, but it has an updater included. Okay, that's if you need it. Remember, keeping your computer software up to date is critical in protecting your data, because getting hacked is a terrible thing, See you next time.